My name is Jonas Wusak and I'm a Customer Success Manager.
My name is Martin Thomason and I'm a Customer Success Manager at Xeneta.
At the summit, I'll be talking about tender management. This will be based on learnings I've gained from talking to over hundreds of shippers past the last years.
During the summit, I'm going to talk about how you can overcome the difficulties with budgeting by using our data and how we can set competitive goals to foster for continuous improvement. Alongside the customer success team, we look forward to sharing our knowledge, but mostly I look forward to seeing you share knowledge between one another.
I'm excited about meeting the old-timers of Xeneta and of course welcoming the new customers of Xeneta as well. I look forward to see you all in Amsterdam.